Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the feature in Settings so Siri can listen. Open Settings, tap Siri and search, then toggle on Listen for Hey Siri and press Side button. This lets wake words and button access work. Next, follow the voice setup prompts to teach Siri your pronunciation. This reduces false triggers and improves recognition. Once done, make sure microphone access is allowed for any apps you want Siri to control so commands pass through reliably and securely. Now you train and customize Siri so responses match your needs. Speak the offered phrases clearly. Repeated prompts refine voice models and cut errors. Then choose language and voice in Siri and search and enable spoken responses to control when Siri talks back. For hands-free tasks, turn on personal requests in home settings and grant app permissions, contacts, messages, calendars, so Siri can act on your behalf. After these steps, test a few commands to confirm access and accuracy. Finish by practicing common commands so you learn natural phrasing and discover limits. Say things like, "Hey Siri, send a message to Alex," or "Hey Siri, directions home," and notice how Siri asks clarifying questions when needed. If Siri fails to respond, toggle Listen for Hey Siri off and on, reboot the phone, and retrain voice recognition. These steps clear temporary glitches. Also check the microphone, selected language, and network connection. Fixing any of those usually restores reliable performance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.